some activity up here in the old left lane up here. And if people would just learn how to merge, that'd be great. Now, if you lose a lane, you know, we had this big hill we just came down, nice long hill, and everybody could see the blue lights flashing up here for the police. They could see what side of the road it was on. But people, of course, are going to wait till the very last second, get right up on it before they even think about trying to pull over. And then everybody, you know, starts hitting their brakes, everybody starts slowing down. But if everybody gotten over like they were supposed to as early as possible, as soon as they saw there was a problem, everybody'd be rolling a little bit faster right now instead of at, you know, 15, 16 miles an hour. We are basically in Macon, Georgia. You know, they got 2 lanes shut up here, so it's like everybody waiting till the last minute. Even though, like I said, even though they could see this coming all the way down that hill, they got to wait till the absolute last minute because they think they're getting somewhere faster. Oh, we got a police car, we got a fire truck. Officer, you gotta make it about what you're doing. Car broke down. I mean, I guess there might have been a fire or whatnot, but I don't see any real damage to it. So slow everybody down because of one little car. They're just standing around right now doing nothing, still blocking traffic instead of getting everything buttoned up and getting out of the way. All right. Like I said, we still got about 90 miles or so. Just about a little under 90, I think, to go. We are en route. Finally starting to get some sunlight. Almost ready to break over the horizon here. So not a cloud in the sky that I can see, which is awfully nice. Awfully nice. Now we can just get back up to speed. That'd be outstanding.